And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make homemade whipped cream. And all you need is heavy cream, you'll need vanilla extract, and you'll need powdered sugar. So I have a half a cup of powdered sugar, I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I have a cup and a half of heavy cream. You could add more powdered sugar if you like it really, really sweet, but I don't like it too sweet on mine, so you could always add and adjust. So we're going to add our heavy cream to our bowl. We're going to add our vanilla extract. So we have our heavy cream. So what I'm going to do is take a towel and wrap it around our bowl to keep it still. And now we're just going to start mixing. Okay, since it got to this point where it's a little bit fluffier and airier, now you want to add your powdered sugar. So you want to add a little bit, half of it. Want to mix it. Now you want to add the rest. And now you just want to whisk away until it starts getting firm. Okay, now we want to give it a taste at this point to see if we have to add more sugar or not. I like it about that consistency or that sweetness. Now we just keep on whisking away. Now this would be completely easier by doing it in a KitchenAid, but I'm showing you you could do this just with a bowl and a whisk. And there we have it. You can see a nice peek, and you have your whipped cream. And there we have it. We have our beautiful whipped cream, homemade whipped cream. It's quite simple, an easy recipe, and it tastes a lot better than the stuff that you get in a can. So there we go. Oh yeah. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe and please like and share. And thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.